Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here, and I found another tree frog. It's a green tree frog. This is our beautiful rose. It's blooming so beautiful this morning. It's our double knockout rose, and I found a green tree frog in our hydrangea. He's over here. He's pretty big. I don't think it's Ribbit. I think it might be Ribbit Junior, because Ribbit has more spots on him. But I'm really happy to see this tree frog out here this morning too. He looks so cute and happy, and they love eating our bugs and everything. And they're just really good out in nature for us because they do that. And I just love tree frogs for that. And they always just have a happy little smile. Let's see if I can get closer. A few of them for you, but this is Ribbit Junior. Maybe we'll see Ribbit again, like we did out on the back porch. I'm gonna wet my finger and give him a little pet. He's only as big as my index finger, but he sure is cute. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. I hope you enjoy. Love you guys.